Still got another slab we got to cut, but we should be able to get all the countertops in today.
Should be.
We are. Yeah, we are. I got Jesse helping me. He helped make them, so might as well put him to work a little bit more, helping me install them. So I'm gonna make this cut. We'll square up both ends, and then we'll cut our 45 because this piece is gonna slide into the corner. What do you think?
This is so nice. The countertops look so good. They remind me of maple syrup.
Just because they're maple.
I know.
We still have to cut out for the stove and for the sink. Are these black cabinets?
No, it's not black, but it's like a faded charcoal. I wanted to do something a little different for the cabinet color at Peggy and Patrick's house. I think that because everything else is gonna be so soft, I could afford to be a little bold.
They just look black to me.
Well, they're not. This is gonna be kind of the dramatic element of the whole house. But the countertops are what soften it. And these feel like warmth, like a country cottage. It's like a pancake kitchen. It's a very breakfasty, cozy, cottagey, warm kitchen.
I mean, at this point, we're on the home stretch. Countertops are in.
Painting all the rooms. I'm waiting on the shutters.
I mean, once Mike starts coming in, because here's the thing about Mike. Mike doesn't like for you to walk on his floors. So
when Mike's there, this is the end of the line. Real close. I mean, typically I'm inclined to go with the lightest stain because I love the color of the wood. But this is a little
orange.
Yeah, that feels a little too dark with low ceiling.
Right.
But I really like this. It's kind of like a compromise between the darkest and the orange.
Early American.
it's a little bit darker, but it's also a little bit cooler.
Yeah.
Cools it down.
Yeah.
I know my wood stains.
Yeah, you should.
Looks good.
Early American it is.
All right.
That sink, gosh.
Don't drop it.
It's incredible.
I know.
No. You don't know, because you've never picked up a cast iron sink. There we go. To be able to just walk this in with one hand,
Amazing.
it's incredible. Have you ever installed one of these?
I've never seen one of these sinks. This is the coolest sink ever.
This joker's fiberglass. Since we've got that cast iron tub, we wanted to keep that look going with this sink. That's gonna look good once we get the tub in here. What do you think?
Whoa, this is beautiful. How old is it?
The 1928 model, so it's
90 years old.
in great shape.
Alan knew that I wanted a clawfoot tub for the bathroom because it's very small. Where the heck did you find it?
I stopped at the feed store to buy some chicken feed, and they had it for sale.
No. He needed chicken feed. He came away with more than chicken feed. Did you get a good price on it?
I did. I actually had him to throw in there the extra dog collar for me, for
There you go.
my squirrel dog.
Peggy's gonna love this tub, but to make Patrick love it, we're gonna have to have a shower hoop on the ceiling.
We can make that happen.
That looked pretty effortless, y'all.
It's over 350 pounds.
I love everything about this tub. I even love the brass fixtures on it, even though we can't keep them because it doesn't have a shower attachment. So now we just update the fixtures to work with a shower attachment and we're good.
Usually when you find an old clawfoot tub, it's gotta be refinished. But I mean, if you go to your local feed store, you get one ready to go. Yep. Look at that.
Oh. Have you ever seen a fridge this cool?
This thing's awesome.
Since we've done so much new construction in the house, not much of the historic stuff is a part of the house anymore, and so I want to bring that back in with a fridge that's designed to look like the 1940s.
I love it.
How magical is this moment? The storm's about to roll in. Cozy. This is so beautiful.
It's nice, ain't it?
I love the tables. All the turnings on the legs and these finials. It's not too matchy, but they're definitely talking.
Same wood species.
There's a
same
conversation
stain,
going on.
Totally.
Same colors, but just a little different design.
This looks gorgeous. 20 and a half. I mean, typically when I'm doing a gallery wall, I wouldn't care. Like, it could just be all over the place. In this case, I just wanted it to be a very organized grid. I think that looks good. Yeah, we're kind of down to the littles now, so it's flowers and pillows and blankets. moving vases around, straightening curtains. It's gonna be a vacation home, then it's gonna be a retirement home. In their small town, southern Mississippi life, we'll have this whole separate book of memories. And it all starts tomorrow.
First day. First page.
Yeah.
Book of memories.
Yeah.
You remember the key house was just kind of forgotten here? But that was the key house.
Woo! Wow.
Wow.
Thank you.
I love the door. I love the gray shutters. I like that you ripped off all the greens in front that was hiding.
Guys, that holly bush was so out of control.
Yeah?
And then once it was gone, the whole house changed.
Yeah.
Do you like the handrail?
I love it. I love
Oh.
it. It changed everything. Just a
It looks
lot.
finished.
It's a great house.
Do you want to go look inside?
Yes, we
Yes,
do. We can't wait to see that.
Let's go see it. Come on in.
Oh my God. Oh my. Yes. Yes. Wow. I love that.
It's not even close to what it looked like.
No, it's not even. It's not. Is it the same house? Oh my God.
You remember what it was like in here?
Pink,
Red.
But there's one huge difference.
The fireplace is
Yeah, the fireplace is
amazing.
Do you like that?
Yes.
Holy
A little better than a
smokes.
heater?
We added a fireplace and built-in bookcases, and now it feels like the room has a focus.
Yeah, what else do you notice about the room?
Oh, it wasn't like that.
No, huh?
It was flat.
When we pulled the sheetrock down to replace it, we discovered that the ceiling joists were 2x4s in this room.
Ooh.
So we had to do something anyway. And we thought while we're at it, let's go ahead and go up with the ceiling, give it a little more height.
This is
Wow.
awesome.
So long, Canada. I'm staying here. Don't touch anything. Don't touch anything.
Still got the French doors.
And things behind that I want to see.
Let's go see then.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Oh, wow. My God.
Oh, wow.
God, oh my God. Wow, and you open everything
To
beautiful.
get to this point, we had to take out this wall, because there was just a tiny little doorway here.
Yeah.
Close up that doorway.
I like all the cabinetry. And I like the beadboard.
Yes.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Country cottage
Yeah.
charm. That's what I was shooting for. You like the
Yeah.
countertop?
Oh, yeah.
You got a lot of counter space. This is solid #1 grade maple. It's really, really durable, really beautiful. These are gonna last forever.
I got my farm sink.
We're gonna do the dishes. Look at my fridge.
How cool is that? Isn't it amazing?
Oh my God. I love the fridge. I just want to cook. I want to cook in this kitchen. I'm ready to cook. Who wants to eat?
Do you want to go see your super cool bathroom?
Oh,
You're not ready for the bathroom.
No,
we
I
are.
don't know. Oh, wow. Wow.
I wanna see.
Wow. Oh my God.
You remember what it was like before?
Ugh.
Water heater,
Oh.
toilet, dirty.
Gross. Dirty.
Just
Dirty.
gross.
Dirty.
Dirty.
Dirty. Dirty.
That was a long way from what your bathroom was to what it is now. It took bumping the wall out a little bit, shifting the door over.
Look at the sink.
Oh yeah, that's your style.
That's my. Oh.
It fits with the bathtub too.
That was a lot of work.
Yes.
It was a lot
Oh
of work.
my God.